Hello students, welcome back. I am Pravin. You are watching India's most reliable and relevant educational channel where you get best in class study material and video lectures. Do check the links in the description box. Next paper which you are going to write is physics. And I know that students are scared about physics. This subject physics give nightmare to the students. Today we are going to talk how to get 40 on 40 in your physics paper. It is quite easy and also possible, but you have to do right thing at a right time. So what are right things that you have to do during your examination time? That is what I am going to explain you today. But a word of caution, that is, if you want to get a complete benefit of this lecture, then you have to watch a video till the end. If you skip any part, maybe you will not get 100% benefit from this class. And our last video lecture, which was related to super 40 question in maths, I was so very thrilled when I saw your question paper. All the questions were from our question bank, our super 40 question bank. Please drop your comment in the comment box whether you want a super 40 questions for physics examination also. If I get as many as 100 comments in the comment box, I will definitely come out with the video of super 40 questions for your physics semester examination 1. Also, please keep on reading the description box because many important informations are written by me in the description box. Also, don't forget to download my app available on the PlayStore by a name PrepWin. You can either search a name PrepWin written over here, or you can search with my name in the Play Store, that is Pravin Sonavne. So the super 40 question bank for your physics semester examination 1 2021, I am going to post on my app. So do download that app and you will get a question bank over there. And finally, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit that notification button. So whenever I put a video, and especially a video on super 40 questions, you will get a notification of it. Our today's class is based upon this physics semester 1 exam paper pattern and exam strategy. We are on the mission 40 on 40. So to get 40 on 40 in physics, you should understand the paper pattern because physics paper is totally different and complicated from all the other question papers. And also you should have a very strong strategy. Before we start with paper pattern, let me remind you that I have a video whereby I have covered the entire chapter on machine. So please check out this video. And also one of my most popular video, that is how to score 100% in physics. There I have given you 7 top secrets. I always believe that whenever you study physics, your strategy should be different, your frame of mind should be different because physics is altogether a different subject. What do I mean when I say physics is a different subject? For that you have to watch this video. This is highly recommended video. Please don't forget to watch this video. When you look at the paper pattern, it looks very easy. Why? Because total marks for physics is 40 and this 40 marks are divided into 4 questions of 10 marks each. So 10 marks each, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4. So that is 40 marks. But hang on, there is a catch. Now if you look at every question, 10 marks, so what kind of questions you are going to get? It is very important that you know what kind of questions you will get in the physics question paper so that you can set up your preparation accordingly. So if we talk about the paper, so first 4 questions are 1 mark each and they are straightforward question and we can say they are standalone question. Now question number 5 will be for 2 marks. This one question will carry 2 marks. And finally, question number 6 will carry 4 marks. So each question, question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 is subdivided in this manner. So each question will have first 4 questions which is 1 mark each, then question number 5 will be 2 marks each, and then question number 6 is 4 marks. So this total is 10 marks. So question number 1 10 marks, question number 2 10 marks, question number 3 10 marks, and question number 4 10 marks. Let us try to understand this in a better way. Now subdivision of each question. As I told you, we have first 4 questions, that is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4, 1 mark each. They are stand-alone question. Now what do we mean by stand-alone question? So you have a question and you have an answer. But if you see at question number 6, it is a 4 marks question. But it is not one question for 4 marks. You will be getting 4 MCQs. 1 mark each. Suppose in question number 6 you have 4 questions, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this question are not stand-alone question as it is for question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sir, what do you mean by that it is not a stand-alone question? Because this question will be related to one another. Maybe this question number 6 is a numerical whereby a certain data is given to you, and question number 1 says find out a mechanical advantage. Question number 2 says find out velocity ratio, and question number 3 might be a relation between mechanical advantage and velocity ratio, how they are related to one another, and question number 4 might be to find out efficiency, and formula for efficiency is mechanical advantage upon velocity ratio. So what is the moral of the story? In question number 6 you are going to get 4 sub question, 1 mark each, so total weightage is 4 marks. But these questions are not stand-alone question as in case of question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, but these questions are related to one another. I have given you an example of a numerical. Maybe you will get a case-based question or a diagram will be given and there will be 4 questions related to that diagram. The most I am worried about is the question number 5. And I am worried about this question. The reason is that when I have corrected the prelim paper, I have seen that even good students have lost marks over here. Why? Because they have more than one correct answer. In what manner this question is going to be asked? Say they will give you, for question number 5, they will give you 4 statements, A, B, C and D. And then you will have the option number 1, ki A and D is correct. So more than one option. A and C is correct. B and C are incorrect. So when you have more options to choose from, that becomes a difficult. So watch out for this question. This question can be a tricky question. This question will decide whether you get 40 on 40 or not. If at all I make a video on super 40 questions, I will give you many questions of this kind for your practice. And before I end my today's class, I want to tell you about the frequently asked question. Most of the students ask me, sir, what will be the weightage for diagram based question? What will be the weightage for the numerical based question? Some students, they have a phobia of this numericals. Again, I will like to tell you all my video how to study physics. I have given a detailed explanation about how to deal with these numerical based questions. And then diagram based question from chapter light, some incomplete diagram will be given and there will be a question based upon that incomplete diagram. So diagram based question will be for 8 marks and numerical based question will be for 8 marks. So please remember this. So 8 plus 8 is 16 and rest 24 marks will be related to definitions, unit, physical terms, interrelation between two physical terms, etc, etc, etc. Your paper carry 40 marks and for this 40 marks you have 60 minutes. But even these 60 minutes won't be enough to write your physics paper. You have to keep at least some time for reviewing your paper. Let us say we are utilizing 52 minutes for writing a paper. So if you divide this by 4, so this comes to be what? 13. So every question you have only 13 minutes. So make sure that you don't give more than 13 minutes for each question. Since you have such a less amount of time for writing this paper, you can make a use of your reading time. Whatever reading time you are going to get, use that reading time to the fullest. Don't even lose 1 second from the reading time, because if at all questions are very demanding in terms of thinking and they are bound to be there in your physics paper, in this case your reading time will come for your rescue. So please make a proper use of whatever reading time you are going to get. Your paper will start at 11 a.m. So please make sure that by 11:13 a.m. you complete your first question, and by 11:26 you complete your second question, and by 11:39 you complete your third question, and by 11:52 you complete your fourth question. So you will have at least 8 minutes in your hand to review your paper, to cross check, to double check whether you have written your options right or wrong, because I don't want any students to find out a correct answer after so much of hard work and then writing it wrong on the answer paper. So this was all about the paper pattern, time management and our exam strategy. I got a tip from my source in a maths paper that this year you are going to have a 4 marks question related to the formula distance is equal to speed into time, and I have shared this with my students. And in my super 40 question bank, I have given a question, and a same question was there in your board examination. Only change that paper setter did was that in my question bank petrol word was used, they changed this petrol word to a diesel. And also I have given short tricks to find out answer in 5 seconds. You can check out some of the questions same to same along with same 4 options was there in your maths paper. I will love to share secret tips which I get from my sources for physics paper as well. Please comment super 40 in the comment box. If I get 100 comments, I will surely make a video on that. And if you want a PDF of super 40 questions, where do you get the PDF? On my app on the PlayStore. And what is the name of that app? The name of that app is the PrepWin name. You can search by this name, or you can also search by my name. Okay? You can type my name Pravin in a search app, or PrepWin to get my app. Once you download my app, you will get super 40 question bank for physics semester examination 1. That content will be available free of cost. So be prepared for the next tough challenge. I believe the physics paper that is going to be the most challenging paper of your semester 1. But as I told you, do right thing at a right time. Don't waste your time in doing unnecessary and unwanted things. Hit the nail on the head. And finally, I will like to wish you all best of luck.